The only way to make someone do something is by making them want to do it. You can of course try to force someone to do something, but in the end you're just making it so that the other option of not doing it is worse than the option of doing it, which is making them want to do the thing you want them to do. Now that I answered the big question my video is about, the big clickbait title, you probably don't want to watch anymore. Retention is going to drop off, but I hope you stay with me because I'm going to delve deeper into what I'm trying to talk about and give you some knowledge. In life, there's only a few things people generally want: health, food, sleep, money, maybe life after death, sex, fun, the well-being of friends and family, power, and lastly, the feeling of being important. Most of these things are pretty easily gratified, especially in this modern world we live in, except for one of them, which is the topic of this video: the feeling of being important. You can already see this if you scroll down on a YouTube video into the comments. Probably not my comments because I don't have a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, but if you go to a big video, all you see down there is people begging for likes by leaving hate comments or just copy pasting somebody else's comment and just trying to get some likes, trying to get some appreciation, just a little tiny bit, because they don't get it enough in life. And if you can provide this feeling of sincere gratification to somebody, this feeling of making somebody feel important, you win in life. You win friends, you influence people, you do exactly what this book says. And this is how you make people want to do things. If you give honest and sincere appreciation, you make people want to do the thing that they're doing good, the thing that you're giving them the appreciation for, as they are craving this feeling of being important, this gratification from you, and they want to do it. They get excited, they get motivated. I'm not saying you manipulate people or flatter people, because those things are bad. They only end badly. Nobody gets better from it. With flattery, you're just telling a person what they already think about themselves, and you're just increasing their ego and your own ego, which is just gonna lead both of you to down a darker road, and it's just gonna bring more negative energy into this world. It's the opposite of what I'm saying, actually. When you're giving somebody honest and sincere appreciation, you're making them feel important. You make them feel like a person, like they are needed, like they add something. If the opposite happens, marriages get destroyed, companies get destroyed, students drop out of school. This is what you see so often. This is why there's so many failed marriages, failed companies, and failed students and people dropping out. Because people don't want to do the thing anymore. In a marriage, when somebody stops appreciating the other person doesn't want to keep working on this loving relationship. In a company, when a leader does not appreciate his workers, they don't want to work as hard. They don't care about the company anymore. They don't care about their job. They are stuck in this job that they don't want to do anymore, and you get all this negative feedback loop. Same with kids in school. They're not appreciated, just criticized, and they don't want to be in the school. They feel like it's a prison. They have to be there, and they don't want to do it at all. The book has a nice quote, which is saying, "Be hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise." This especially counts if you're in a leadership role, because leaders have to make sure their workers and the people that follow them, or whatever they are appreciated, and they want to be following you as a leader if you do this. I hope I kind of explained this chapter of the book well for you. If I did, there's only one thing I want you to do. It's not subscribe, it's not like the video. It's just the next time you, in the back of your mind, you feel this appreciation for someone because something they did, and if this thing is something you want them to do more, especially, give them some honest and sincere appreciation. Just do it once, see what happens. Just see what happens. Be better than you were yesterday. I'll see you next time.